Welcome to this StayPrivate tutorial in which we'll be going through how to send a secure email using the Mac app. So the first thing you would like to do is compose your email, but instead of typing the address that you want to send to, we will go to the Secure Mail app first. And then if you would like to type in the recipient's email address into the text box beneath it, this is who you want to send the email to. Once you have typed in this address, if you click on Generate, you will notice that a secure equivalent of this appears beneath it in the secure recipient email address, or you can click on Generate and Copy, and this will automatically copy it for you. Simply then paste the address into the To section of the composing email, and then you can fill in your subject and the body of the email or attach any attachments. After that, simply click the Send button and you'll send your secure email.